around hike the grotto.
2 years. I love. Oh, Max, remember the place where it was so, where there was water and it was that Jimmy's mom's birthday? I like that place.
Is it Jimmy?
Johnny.
Johnny. That was close.
Yeah, she knew.
How old are you?
Yeah, I started.
18.
Oh, fun. When did you turn 18?
Back in May.
What day?
6th.
Oh, my birthday's May 27th.
Uncle's birthday is the 6th. Two of my best friends, they're twins. Theirs is on the 6th. My brother's is on the 5th. Cousin's is on the 8th.
My birthday's the same day as your dad's. I mean, your dad, Wilson's dad's. August 18th.
That's what Dad's is.
Wow.
I thought it was on the same day as Wilson's.
Nah, that's Alex's birthday.
I haven't had to grow him forever. I'm too fat for this.
I know.
Oh.
I'm too old for it, even though I'm only 13.
It's always the first 5 minutes that kill me now, but I'm good.
Like the first 5 minutes, you pretty much just get to the waterfall.
No.
There are a lot more rocks than big
I think I slipped. No, I didn't slip right there.
That would suck if you did.
No, I slipped higher.
Really?
Yeah.
Ouch.
I grabbed onto a branch. Leo was laughing at me. Celeste was getting ready to cry.
Leo?
Seriously.
Leo?
Yeah, Leah.
Leo was laughing at you.
Yeah, Leah and Bridget. Gosh, I'm too fat for this.
I know.
I know. I don't want to start recording right now because there's nothing over here.
I think I have enough footage on my phone. I think I have enough room on my phone to film the entire thing. So might as well.
Your camera's crappy, Jim.
No, it does 180p.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, that nice red.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, I gotta. Okay, it's turned on now.
So beautiful. Look at that.
They're not pink. They're not pink. They're light red. Do you know trees just turn the leaves?
Salamander. Oh, that's a good one. That's also a good one. This time it's staying with you, not Johnny.
You're just like, wow, I feel hurt. Johnny's like, this is an easy hike.
Have you hiked up here?
The waterfall is good. If it's full, it'd be awesome.
That's how they named it. Gosh.
It's probably from Indians. It's probably from Indians. The name's probably from Indians. That was here. The Navajos. Navas.
Right here.
Right here? You can tell.
Right there.
Wow. I'm surprised you didn't fall all the way.
It was either right there or it's coming up over here.
Well, somebody's definitely slipped right there, at least.
I called Sam a Navajo.
Yeah, it
Almost
was
killed
that one
you.
over there because I got into that branch and I remember looking down and there was water.
Look, there's like no water whatsoever. Hi, guys.
My foot freaking hurts.
What shavings?
I feel like we hurt a little bit.
Come here, Emma.
Oh, that's a good. That is beautiful.
I know, I'm just jelly.
I saw it.
That'd be hilarious.
Falls down.
That would not be funny. But like, so far away, quite a few yards, quite a few yards.
Is this a new one?
No, same path.
Oh, I don't remember though.
What the? I don't remember this, but I'm pretty sure it's the same path.
Watch out for right there.
We were supposed to go over there.
What by me right there?
Yeah.
So we actually are going right way. Oh.
Here. I'm gonna hold on now.
Be careful. Plus, you could probably just walk in the river anyways. Just, you guys need to get in the river. There's no other way.
There's no rule.
Yeah, there is.
There's nothing. Come here, Emma.
There's no other way. Nope. It's way too steep. Yeah, it's way too steep. There's like no river anyways. Come on! Where's Emma Jane? Here.
My shoe.
Emma.
I got her. Dude, give me my shoe.
I got her. Hold this real quick.
It's okay.
She's good. Let her go.
It's stepped on a rock.
There.
Because these shoes will leak water in them. Dad.
I haven't hiked up here in like a year, that's why.
I haven't hiked up here since.
No, we're going the right way. Everybody's just coming back from the grotto. There's just a huge group.
Where's Emma at?
Right there.
Sorry, guys.
Oh,
Here, come here, Emma.
that's a cute dog.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks like.
Go.
Okay, let's go.
No, we have to wait for that group.
No, it's okay. I'll just be right here.
Wait for this group. Yeah.
Hey, wait.
Or not. Come on.
Let me press someone and record you guys questions.
Athletic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we go that way or that way? That way. Let's go that way. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. This cave. I do remember all these rocks here. Echo!
No, Max.
There's a rock slide. Hey, you two over there in the pond. Olivia, look at me.
Where's Johnny and Max?
We're gonna go up. Mom.
You gonna go high?
Yep, I'm gonna go
I'm gonna hide.
No, Emma. Emma, it's really steep. Emma, it's really steep up there. The water's really cold.
I don't care.
Oh, ice water. Hey, Emma, come on. Let's go over there.
I could go on these.
Are you okay, Emma?
Yeah, I got one.
Emma, come over here. Go up there if you can. And then just sit down, okay? Just sit down wherever you want. Face me. Do you like the grotto, Emma?
Yes, I do.
When you get back to we'll take a selfie.
Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Is it the hike beautiful?
Yes.
Who's your favorite brother?
You and Max.
There can only be one. Johnny's not your favorite brother. Johnny isn't your brother.
I don't care. He's like a brother. He's like my brother too. Yeah.
You ready to hike back?
I want to go where they can.
Hi. What? Over there? Up there? Emma, just stay over there. Where is he? Emma, grab onto my arm.
Okay.
Hold on.
Neat. Thank you.
Okay, ready? Somebody look at Mom. Olivia, will you stand up, please?
Come on. Yeah, I know, because it's all shady right now. You just gotta sit on that rock, okay? Dangle your feet. You're now sitting up on that rock? Just dangle your feet over here. Dangle your feet. Make your feet. Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't have gotten that right if I...
Isn't that a cool waterfall?
What?
Isn't that a cool waterfall?
Yeah, it's very cold.
It's cool.
Yeah.
What? I looked at the top, out, another top of that mountain.
Who?
Yeah, we're going up there right now.
Who?
Max. Can I come?
No, Emma, way too steep for you. How tiny you are. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna pause the video till we start hiking back. Hey Emma, look over there. You know what's over? You know what used to be over here?
No.
Bats. Yeah, bats.
Okay.
Emma, do you want to say anything to anybody watching?
No.
Look how cute you are.
I need help.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go hiking.
No. No, it's way too steep for you. But Dacia and Max and Johnny went up there. But I have to stay down here with you. So, get back down here. I'm gonna pull you down if you don't get back down here.
You?
Yeah.
No. Okay, there. Ooh. Can we go like on something or something? Yeah. I don't need this hat anymore. Oh, some people are coming.
Emma, look at me.
What? I wonder what Max is. I really.
He's up there,
Yeah,
I
know.
think.
Oh, here's a little.
Hey Emma,
slide.
look.
Stop it. Jerk.
The stump was wearing your hat. Bad stump.
Ooh, look. Designs.
Yeah, from insects and stuff.
Yeah, and it looks actually cool. Am I actually in your video?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. This is like a cup holder.
I don't want to. Well, I guess you could put like a covered cup, I guess, if you wanted to. Sorry about that. I was blocking the camera. Where do you want to go?
I want to go hiking up here and then come back.
Okay, back to the grotto.
Yeah. I kind of actually want to go back to those stairs.
Yeah, that's way too far. Well, come on.
I thought you saw something.
Hometown. Let's go back to the grotto.
It's actually really, really cool. This was really smooth.
Just look at. You know what this is that you're touching?
Moss.
Yeah, moss or algae. Pretty sure it's just moss though. What do you want to say to the viewers?
Please like and subscribe
And leave a comment.
and leave a comment. And
This is not the end of the video.